Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now, we're gonna kind of talk a little bit about some liqueurs. I did this on my Instagram Live, which I do live every Wednesday night at 9:30 Central. So stop by and check me out one day. It's a little bit different topic. We might talk about rum, tequila, prohibition, cocktails. Yeah, the topic's different each week. But last week I talked about infusions and liqueurs. And I made this. You'll never guess what this is. It's just a clear mason jar full of a clear liquid. But, where'd I put it? Oh, it's over here. I'm going over here. I finally found this. Now, it's a little late in the year because usually this is with spring and summertime drinks. But I finally found the time to go ahead and make it. And that is a substitution for Malibu. How to substitute a sugar-free Malibu or a coconut rum. Super easy. Now, it did take me about 4 or 5 different tries to get the flavors right on. It's really, really close to this, but better. It's a little bit better than this. I like the taste of this a little bit better. So I'm not gonna go ahead and build it because it's super easy. You're gonna need 8 ounces of an allulose syrup. Check the description below, get your Allulose on Amazon. Make sure you use my link because it does help me out as an affiliate link. And next, you're going to need 8 ounces of clear rum. 15 bucks at Walmart. I think it's even maybe less than that. Yeah, right, about 15 bucks at Walmart, Bacardi here. So I got 8 ounces of rum, 8 ounces of allulose syrup, and coconut extract. This is all you need to make your sugar-free Malibu substitute. So, or I'm just gonna call it coconut rum because I can't say that it's this because that's illegal and I'll get sued by Malibu. So it's not Malibu, but it is a coconut flavored rum. So again, real simple, really short, 8 ounces, 3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons. My allulose syrup, there'll be a link up here about how to make that, but it's 1-to-1 ratio, water and allulose. That's it, guys. Super easy. If you're into coconut rums, if you're looking for some of those tropical drinks that call for Malibu, but you're on the low carb diet, you're on keto, and you really can't have that much sugar that Malibu has, make your own, make your own. All right, guys, that's it. Y'all have a good night. I might shoot another video tonight, I don't know. So just finished my amaretto sour video, check that out. And the one before that, how to make your amaretto. So guys, y'all have a great night, because after this one, I'll be having a great night too. See y'all later.